Hey everyone, I'm going to be giving you guys a quick tutorial for my go-to messy bun that I do most days when I only have a few minutes to get ready and my hair needs to be up because it's dirty or I don't have time to do it any other way. So for this hairstyle, you're going to need 2 rubber bands. I love this kind, the kind that has the elastic built in because it doesn't slip out of my hair. And then you're also going to need a couple bobby pins. I love these long ones from Sally's. They're the best I've ever bought. I probably have had these for a couple months now. The long ones stay closed. I rarely ever have to throw them away if I don't have them anymore. It's just because I've lost them. So you need the rubber bands, the bobby pins, and hairspray. I use Got to Be Glued, but whatever hairspray works for you. So the very first thing you're going to do is put your hair up in a high ponytail. Okay, I smooth out my sides and I pull out just any little hairs that I have that I want to come down. And then I don't really worry about the back since it's a messy bun, but as long as everything is up. Now I put this rubber band around 3 times for my hair, however many times it works for yours. Okay, so it's just simple ponytail. Okay, now with the second rubber band, you are going to put it in and wrap it twice. Then the third time, you're going to wrap it again, but don't pull the ponytail all the way through. Okay? It's going to be like a mushroom, like this. Okay? And I just separate the mushroom a little bit until I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks. You can hairspray at this point or wait to hairspray. I generally just wait depending on how clean or dirty my hair is. If it's really dirty, I usually don't need to hairspray it at all right here. If it's super clean, I definitely need to hairspray so it'll stay. So I just washed my hair yesterday. I'm just going to give it just a little spritz. All right, now this is the important part. Where the rubber band is, you're going to stick 2 fingers underneath the rubber band, and you're going to take the rest of this hair down here. I grab it about this far, and I'm going to loop it back up and grab it with my fingers. Okay, once I grab it, then I'm going to pull it back through, make another mushroom, spread it out, hairspray again, and then you have all this remaining. Now my hair is about to my knees, so I have quite a bit remaining here, but if your hair isn't that long, you're not going to have as much. So you might even have enough to just do this little mushroom. But now, to finish it up, I'm actually going to tuck this part back into the rubber band a little bit. And then I still have all this hanging out here, so then I'm just going to tuck it in. Just like that. And then spread out this middle part so it hides it. Just pull until you get it to where you kind of like it. Hairspray always helps. Okay, then really I only use 2 bobby pins most of the time. Sometimes depending on how my hair wants to act, I need a couple more, but usually I just take 1 long bobby pin and I stick it right in the back. So I pull these 2 pieces together and just pin it in, spread it a little bit more. Okay. And then with my next bobby pin, I'm actually going to connect this back layer and this top layer here. I just pull the hair together a little bit, separate my bobby pin, group the 2 together, just so they're kind of upright, and then just fan out as much as I want. This part here, I'm gonna tuck a little bit more. Now, if your hair won't stay right here, you can just bobby pin a quick little part. Okay. Check this out. Okay, so right here, this side is a little separated to me. So I'm gonna take a little bobby pin and just pull this part down a little. Pin it together. Okay, just like that. Finish up hairspray, and you're all set. So I'm gonna give you a quick view. Okay, this is my favorite hairstyle. You can ask anybody that knows me, I do it all the time, but that's because it's super fast, as you can see, and my hair stays in this all day long. I recently just ran a 5K and it stayed the entire time with 2 bobby pins. So I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye!